Hey, Don here from Super Blast. Got a new toy. I'm going to start using it for some jobs.
Home point updated.
And this is what we got. Got a nice DJI drone. Mini 4 Pro. From what I understand, on December 23rd, they're going to be banned from the United States. You'll be able to buy drones, but you're just not going to be able to buy that one. I guess, I don't know what's going on with it, but if you want one, you got to get it. Shipping and all that good stuff. You got the drone with 3 batteries. Beautiful. You don't have to use your phone with this. Okay, this is ready for flight. Very simple to operate. We're going to go ahead and fly it around a little bit, and we'll see if we can't get it aimed up. We're going to, of course, we're going to come up and we're going to go. But we'll put it in the camera here as well. Be right back here. Let me just get things set up. Well, it is set up. All right, there's the landing strip right there. Hey, Don here from Super Blast. We got ourselves a DJI drone. I highly recommend it. Going to be using this remote control right here. You don't have to use your phone. Very simple. You just pull these in. Okay, ready? That fires it up.
Take off.
Now, if you want to go up,
Home point updated.
just go like that. You can lower it down. Come around this way and take pictures of us. So what we're looking at is the drone. Now we're going to hit video. Now it's filming video. Alright, we're going to go ahead and take off out that way. Turn it around. This thing flies too. You don't want to fly it too low. Now you see it out there in the driveway. Let's see if we can't get it there. Let's see if we can see it up there. Alright, ready? Let's go up. There it goes. Now I can adjust the camera. See here, watch. I want to see what's down there, right? Okay, now we can do a 360 of the whole neighborhood. Let's move it up this way. Like this. There, look at that. Oh, does it see me? That's our driveway right there, I do believe. Alright, now we're going to hit land. Watch this.
Return to home.
Alright, now watch that. See it up there?
Landing.
Hey, look. How about that, huh? DJI, I highly recommend it.